Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make $10 in 1 hour. This method really works, and it works in all countries regardless where you are, be it anywhere part of the world. It works in all countries, so you can make $10 in just 1 hour. So first of all, I would like you guys to come down to my channel. If you're new here, I would like you to subscribe, and after you subscribe, you just have to put on the notification. So you put on the notification to get notified whenever I post a new video. Actually, you're gonna receive a notification in every each video I'm gonna be posting. So guys, thank you for doing that. So in today's video, learning how to make $10 in 1 hour, regardless any country you are. You're just gonna visit this platform, mobrog.com. So on this platform you can earn as much as $10 in an hour. That is if you give it the time, give it the requirements. So you're just gonna download this, visit this website. It also has an app for iOS and Android, so you can download from Android on the Play Store, while iOS from the App Store. So all you have to do is come down here, you click on the sign up button. So clicking on the sign up button, you'll be redirected where you fill up your forms. So I already signed up to this platform actually. So on this platform, as you can see, the Trustpilot, these people's got 28,693 reviews. That means a lot of people are really doing great on this platform. As you can see, this person said, not a scam, not a scam, work harder and be honest to answer the survey, you get rewarded. So as you can see, this guy JJ, so that was 76 minutes ago. So as you can see, Shinadua, yeah, Shinadua, 6 hours ago. I'll take more action here. So as you can see, a lot of positive reviews about this platform, so to tell you that this platform really works. So when you come on this platform, all you have to do first is just sign up. So when you sign up, you input your email, your password, and you confirm your email. So after doing that, you'll be redirected back into this platform where you can make and do surveys and get paid instantly. So even you can also refer, there's a referral program which you refer your friend and you get 0.63 USD. That's 63 cents for each successful referral made by you. So and these referrals must be active, not just any referrals. So making money from this platform is pretty easy. If you stick with this platform, you can actually make a lot of money daily. You can equally make $10 above within 1 hour on this platform. Just that you have to sit tight and be honest with your surveys. If you are not honest on this platform, you get kicked out from the platform. So, and that is just being kicked out from the platform is just so very bad. So in order not to get that to you, so you just have to be honest with your surveys and everything. So referring your friends, you don't have to do your self referral, you actually have to refer people. So when you refer people, those people are active, you also get paid when referring others. So this is a pretty platform where you can make money online. Making $10 in an hour is good. If you're gonna calculate that to 24 hours, man, you've made a lot of money that day. So you guys stick to this platform and you're gonna make a lot of money. So guys, thank you for watching this video. So I'm gonna be dropping a new video soon. And if you haven't subscribed still, yeah, you can just come down to the subscribe button and click on the subscribe button and put on the notification. Pretty easy, pretty cool, no charges. So see you guys in my next video.